Lakh, let's take you straight to Kerala and Kochi now, where owners of 343 flats in 4 illegally constructed high-end buildings in Kochi that have been scheduled to be brought down must be paid ad hoc compensation of 25 lakhs within 4 weeks. That's what the Supreme Court has ruled today. The court said that the demolition had to be completed within 120 days and in accordance with the schedule provided by the state. The court has also ordered Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's government to pay the initial compensation amount and recover the cost later from the builders. Remember, for the past 2 days, there has been no electricity, no water in those apartments, but the residents refuse to leave and continue to be there.
We are joined by the Chief Secretary of Kerala, Mr. Tom Jose. Sir, you have been in the court.
That's
so
right.
how do you see it's a sort of relief for the residents and the government? How do you see?
I think so, because the court has ordered a 25 lakh interim compensation to the occupants of the flat. So this is certainly a good thing.
So they said it's an ad hoc and immediate compensation.
That is correct.
How it will be decided finally?
This will be decided by a single judge committee, which is going to be set up by the Supreme Court, and they would go into all the issues and then finally decide upon the quantum of compensation.
So who will be held responsible? Initially government will pay it, then how will you recover it?
The principle here is that the polluter pays. So therefore, whoever has violated the environmental laws will have to pay for that.
So court also said that they are also human. They want the allottees not to be thrown out. They will have to be accommodated.
That is correct, yes.
So finally, sir, what about the demolition plan? How long will it take? Whether the court
We have given a 138-day program for carrying out the orders of the court. So this will be adhered to. So we have already started the process.
So people who are watching, particularly from Marar, what's your message to the allottees?
Message is that they will be given compensation, and the people who have actually committed the violation of the laws will have to ultimately pay for that. And we request that the people in the flats cooperate with the government in carrying out the orders.
Thank you, Mr. Jose. That was Tom Jose, Chief Secretary of Kerala, saying that court has given some sort of relief to the flat owners and to the government of Kerala. In New Delhi, Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, NDTV.